Hey guys, Ori21656 here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the iPad mini white 16 gigabytes, which I got here. iPad mini. And a red Belkin case. Alright, let's get back to the unboxing. My box cutter.
A vast virus database has been updated.
Let's open up this box, baby. Wait, I'm pressing. Let's see if it opens. And there's the beauty. The iPad mini 16 gigabytes white. I'll put that at the side. I got my wall adapter. Pretty standard. Green dot. Signed by Apple in California booklet, which has your iPad mini. iPad info. And some Apple stickers. Alright, let's get back to the iPad mini. Take it off. Let's boot it up. It's booting up. While we do that, let's get to the case button. This rubber. Boot it up. And the iPad setup is up. So I will be doing the setup. English, United States, Wi-Fi, which I'll put my password, but I won't let you guys see it. There it is, connecting to my Wi-Fi. Next, activating your iPod, use location services, restore from iCloud backup, and I'll be putting my Apple ID. Signing in. Yeah, agree. Let's see. Backup. Oh, I got the wrong account. Sorry about that. Agree. There. 2 days ago. iPad. Restoring settings. Meanwhile, I'll be taking off the plastic. Free it. And put it in the case. estimating. So that's it, guys. I'll be doing a review soon, so please stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.